Have you ever wondered how prices are set? Why some businesses thrive while others struggle? Or how your everyday choices impact the economy? This course unlocks the fascinating world of microeconomics, giving you the tools to understand the forces that shape individual decisions and markets. We'll explore fundamental principles like supply and demand, how these forces interact to determine prices, opportunity cost, the real cost of your choices, consumer behavior, why we buy what we buy, market structures from perfect competition to monopolies. You'll learn how microeconomics applies to your personal life, making smarter financial decisions, and understanding the value of your choices. Also, your business success. You will learn optimizing pricing, resource management, and market strategy. You will also be able to understand policy making, analyzing the impact of government interventions and regulations. Whether you're a student, a business professional, or just curious about the world around you, this course will equip you with the knowledge to make informed decisions and understand the complex forces at play in our economy. Enroll today and start your journey to mastering microeconomics.